I started earning from YouTube when I had 250 subscribers as a designer, as a website designer and a website developer. I was asking myself, what do I need to do to start earning from YouTube as a creator? Though I had no money then, I was looking for fastest way and quickest way to make money online. Then I stumbled on a particular idea and I watched a particular video. Someone showed me some ways I can make money on YouTube without getting Google AdSense. Then I applied the strategies and it started working for me. Then most of those ways are what I'm going to tell you so far. Meanwhile, my name is Celestine Chinedun. I am a creator, a graphic designer, web developer, and also a content or creator here on YouTube. Then basically when I started earning, I now found out that it's not necessarily mean that I should wait for Google AdSense to start or start waiting for YouTube monetizations to start earning on YouTube. Then one thing I did was this: I was looking for a way to drive traffic to my business initially, how my design business, my website design business. I started teaching people how to build a website, how to code non-code designs, how to do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and the rest, and also how to build websites with non-code design as CMS like WordPress, Shopify, and the rest. And I found out that people are liking what I'm doing basically. Then I started people started liking what I'm doing, and they started liking what I'm doing. And most of them are actually people that needed someone that will teach them how to build website, because most of those courses are not all that comprehensive, just maybe like 30 minutes or 40 minutes videos. Then most of them chatted me for personal classes, online classes with them, and I found out that I can still drive traffic from YouTube to my business. That is one thing I started doing, to drive traffic from YouTube to my business. That is how I started earning from YouTube when I had 250 subscribers. Then when I was doing all of those things, then I find out that there are still other ways I can still earn money from that, aside driving traffic to my business. Though I was earning, but I was looking for a way where by this YouTube money, I was looking for a way to start getting money from there. But getting a client I can teach to design websites, a client I can teach to design logo, graphics, and all of those things, and also a client I can design websites for and collect $250,000, and even started getting foreign clients for my business. That is one way I made money from YouTube without Google YouTube monetizations. The second way is that since I've started knowing people, I sign up for affiliates. Second one is affiliate marketing. I sign up for affiliate programs. Then when I started selling something like computer systems I had a friend then that owns a computer shop. I started advertising the systems in my videos, in as much as the system is related to what I'm doing, like laptop and all of these things. Like the best systems you can use for your graphics work, best system you can use for your video editing, best system you can use for coding programs. Yes, so I started all of that. People are now asking me how do they get me, because I have evidence and this is what I'm using to build my website and it is working for me. So people now like how do they get? So I signed up for these affiliate programs. You get, so I earn money from driving traffic to my business first in less than 500 subscribers, and also earn money from affiliate programs too, for selling other people's products. Then another way is this: I created a particular course that was a comprehensive way to build a website using WordPress, not code designs. I did it with WordPress and also Shopify, introduction to Shopify designs, right? Then I advertised that course in one of my videos like that, and people, I think I got like 10 clients, 10 customers from that particular course, and they paid for the course. That was 25,000 naira then. So I earned money from that particular course. I earn money from affiliate and also earn money from driving traffic to my business. You can see I'm not really bothered like that when I like that for monetization. So I started making money less than 500 subscribers. So it gave me patience to wait for monetization. But in as much as I'm looking for a way to aim for monetizations, I'll also be looking for like shortcuts to aim for monetization, which may actually make me to go against YouTube policies, and I may end up not getting what I wanted. But since I'm getting money from my business, affiliates, and those courses I'm selling for my business too, I had patience enough to wait for YouTube monetizations. Those are the ways I made money online, less than 500 subscribers. Then the reason why I'm telling you this is that you, as maybe as a young content creator, or as maybe as an old content creator, there are still lots of ways you can make money without waiting for Google's YouTube monetization, such as affiliates, selling your own course, sell your own knowledge. So then when I got people I teach those people to build websites, I teach them to design websites, I taught them how to do lots and lots of things online with their computer. Those things, I'm now selling my knowledge. Then I also sell my knowledge using my YouTube channel. So I shifted all of these things to other platforms such as Facebook's, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and all of those. So those people, I have as my clients from Facebook and YouTube, and I push them to my WhatsApp group. And I also mentor people how to build a website, how to do all of these things with their systems, how to work and do many things online. So those are the different ways I make money online there. So I think even if you are a content creator, you are a new YouTuber, or you are growing, just feel free to choose any of these things, or practice any of these like it's definitely going to work for you. Then I think if you find value in what I'm doing, I think you should actually subscribe to, or comment, or share this video, so that people who don't know this can as well know it. So most times you don't need to start waiting for monetizations for we to make money online, start waiting for YouTube to monetize our channel. In the end, they may even find one policies like that and add to it and say that you went against their policies, and that just ends it. So if you are making money only from monetizations, which means one day if you go against those policies, they will demonetize your channel and you stop earning. But if you are making money from affiliates, selling your courses, groups, and all of these things, even if they demonetize your channel, you wouldn't be bothered like that, because you still have other ways you make money online. Those are the things. Learn to diversify your earnings online. If you are creating content, maybe basically for monetization, though, is good and is okay, but you can as well diversify to other ways you can make money aside those monetizations. It will work for you like mad, right? So, but one thing you have to do is this: you have to create relevant content. Make sure you are creating a very good content that people will like. If you teach people how to do something very well, they will like to buy the pro. If you teach people how to do something, they would like to buy the pro. But if you teach people how to do haphazard courses like that, they may think that you don't know what you are doing, and nobody will buy from you. Just teach from what you know, teach from your expertise, teach from your experience, cool down and teach them like children. Take them from ground up, and you find out that in as much as they liked what you are doing and it is valuable, even if you say your course is $100, $200, or $300, even if it's not 20 that bought your course, like 2 will buy your course, and the other percentage you'll be looking for money, or looking for when we have discount to sell those courses to buy from, because you are giving people value in their lives. So if you find this video helpful, I very much recommend, or I plead you subscribe to this channel, so anytime I drop an update like this, you see it in your notifications. Subscribe to this channel, comment, and share, so that it can reach to other people who don't know how to do these things, who really need it. So because I know many people need this thing I'm saying now, and they are looking for people that will open their minds to understand this. Like, comment, and share, so that it will reach other people. Anytime I drop subsequent videos like this, you see it in your notification, because I will be dropping the updates back to back here for many people about content creations, and about how to make money online, which I'm also doing, and it is working well for me. Thank you and remain blessed.